This is one session in a series describing PureLoad. PureLoad is used for executing extreme performance testing of different web servers. This session describes technical requirements, licensing, and concepts used within PureLoad. PureLoad is verified on the following operating systems: Windows 2003, XP, Vista, and Windows 7. On Linux x86 and x64, on Solaris 9 and 10, and on Mac OS X 10.5 and 10.6. PureLoad is written in Java and should run on any operating system that includes Java 1.6 or higher. At least 20 MB free disk space is required for PureLoad. Hardware requirements regarding CPU and memory depends a lot on the system under test, virtual users to simulate, and the simulated traffic model. As a rule of thumb, a minimum of 1 GB system memory is recommended. For more details, we suggest that you discuss this with PureLoad's software support team. PureLoad includes support for load testing server applications in a distributed environment. This means that load can be generated from multiple hosts within a local network. The console contains the graphical user interface and is the central point of control. The naming server is an administrative server controlling where other servers are located. The naming server is also responsible for the license control. The task space handles the scenarios prepared in the console. The task space is responsible to parameterize the scenarios and distribute scenarios to requesting worker threads. Workers are responsible for executing scenarios and generating load on the tested system. It is also possible to run PureLoad in standalone mode, where all the servers are started and run from one program. This is mainly to allow simple tests and evaluations. For larger actual load tests, using the distributed environment is required. PureLoad is available in 3 different editions. PureLoad will start using Free Edition if no license file is available. The Free Edition allows testing of web applications using only a limited number of virtual clients and can only run in standalone mode. PureLoad Web requires a license file and enables features to allow testing of web server applications, that is HTTP and HTTPS only. PureLoad Enterprise requires a license file and enables all PureLoad features, including testing using many internet protocols, using external task packages, monitoring, etc. PureLoad is licensed per number of virtual clients. With a free version you get 10 virtual clients. For PureLoad Web there is an entry license for 100 virtual clients. The regular licensing starts at 1000 virtual clients and in steps up to 80,000 virtual clients. For more than 80,000 virtual clients, a special request is needed. A test case in PureLoad is structured as scenarios. A scenario is defined by a series of tasks or sequences of tasks and is the unit that are executed by workers. A task is the smallest form of operation in PureLoad and normally consists of a client request, but can also be a utility task to check for a previous result or extract information from a previous result. All hardware machines that are going to generate load in PureLoad sessions needs to be managed by a PureLoad manager process. This process is responsible for all PureLoad activities on the machine. A manager can host one or several worker processes. Typically only one worker process is needed. Each worker process is responsible to maintain one or more worker threads. The worker threads are the actual executors of scenarios. There is no built-in limit in PureLoad on the number of possible workers and worker threads that can be started. It is rather the characteristics of the actual hardware and the OS that limits the number of resources that can be started. That ends this session. Thanks for watching this presentation. For further information, please consult our webpage on www.pureload.com. Happy testing!